Hello, in this video, I'll be sharing with you how to find the square root of decimals. It's very simple, so let's get right into it. Now, let's say I ask to find the square root of 0.09. How do you go about it? Very simple. Permit me to write solution here. 0.09. 0.09. The square root. All you need to do is to change this decimal to fraction. That is this. So you move this decimal point, 1, 2. You move the decimal point, you let it jump, let it move until it crosses the last digit. Or you move to the right. So 1, 2. That will be 9. Look at it. 1, 2. Decimal point is now here. So 9. Because you move decimal point 2 times, of course, here will be 100, having 2 zeros. So this is the first step. Then, of course, now you can go ahead and find the square root of both the numerator and the denominator. The square root of 9, of course, we know is 3. And the square root of 100 is 10. If the answer is in fraction, you can leave it like this. But if you want the answer to be in decimal, you go further. So when you divide 3 by 10, of course, that will give you 0.3 by 10, 1 0. Move decimal point, just 1 0, move it once. Decimal point is here. They are divided by 10, so decimal point will move to the left. If you jump just once, since you have just 1 0, just like this. See, like this. That is all. So the answer is 0.3. 0.3. So the square root of 0.09 is 0.3. Let's do another one. Let's do 0.0169. What is the square root of 0.0169? Just the same step you will take. Let me clean this. So here we have the square root of 0.0169. You change this decimal to fraction, that will give you, so you move decimal point until it crosses the last digit here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have your 169. 169. Because decimal point cross 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 zeros. So that will be 10,000. So you have changed this decimal to fraction. Don't forget your square roots. Now you can go ahead and find the square root of both the numerator and the denominator. Square root of 169 is 13. And square root of 10,000 is 100. So the next thing now is just to divide 13 by 100. So here we have 2 zeros. Decimal point will move 2 places because we have 2 zeros. 1, 2. If it comes from right here. So we have 0.1313. Because there's no zero here. There's no digit here. So you put 0. And so that is the answer. If you multiply this by itself, you will get this. So 0.13 is the square root of 0.0169. Let's do the other one, the last one. So let me clean this. Find what is the square root of 0.0441? Question mark. That's a question. So the same thing, you can see that it's very simple. Just the same thing. So we have 0.0441. So that means here. So the same step, that's your 441, 441 over what? Because it jumped 4 digits. Look at it. It jumped 4 digits. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 to give you 441. So it jumped 4 digits. So here will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 4 zeros. That is 10,000. So you go ahead and find the square root of both the top number and the bottom number. This, the root of 441 is 21. 21 is the square root of 441. And square root of 10,000, of course, is 100. So this is the square root. And the answer is in fraction. So you change it to decimal. This is very simple. Also the same thing, because we have 2 zeros here, you move it twice. 1, 2. This now point will now be here. So it will be 0.21. Because there's no digit here, like 0. And that is it. This is very, very simple. I want to believe. So that is how to find the square roots of decimal numbers. I believe this was fun and enjoyable. Till next time, take care.